If you're thinking about using hair fibers, you have to try Febron. Why? First, you can get a free sample, so you have nothing to lose. Second, Febron is the only second-generation fibers, which means it's the most natural-looking fibers ever made. It's 100% natural, lighter, slimmer, and stronger than ever. Third, we give you the best price. And yes, you could check me on that. A full bottle of Febron is 30 grams for only $32.95. Yes, only $32.95. So you get to try a free sample. Get the most natural fibers ever made for the lowest price, guaranteed. It's a no-brainer. So click here to get your Febron free sample while in stock. Yes, it's a limited time offer, and get the most advanced fibers at the best price.
Hey, I'm Elliot. I wanted to tell you about this product I've been using for a long time. It's called Febron, a hair fiber. As you can see, my hair is thinning. I used a lot of other different fibers in the past until I discovered Febron. Febron is by far the best. It is the most natural looking, and the weird thing is that it's the least expensive of all of them. It's only $32.95 for 30 grams, and that lasts me on average between 4 and 5 months. So it's pretty amazing. We're going to show you how easy it is to apply it. You see that? It's amazing. Like, you can't see any scalp at all. There's no bald spot. It's the best, and it took all of 10 seconds to apply. Easy. And you know what? Febron will even give you a free sample to try, so you have nothing to lose.